Hello guys, welcome back. It's me Sinto. In this video I will be telling about the outhouse that is being under construction. So previously I shown you that the construction work has almost completed, and now the next work to be continued is the tile installation. So I employed some workers for installing the tiles, but they couldn't finish the job very well, and also they are not very skilled at that work. I had to let them go. So I bought some new workers for installing the tiles, and they had some experience installing the tiles in malls and various other places. So I employed them for installing the tiles, and they did very good job in installing the tiles. So if you are also up to installing the tiles in your homes and other places, make sure that the worker is skilled and has prior experience in installing the tiles. If you see dull workers or the workers not completing the task in stipulated times, make sure to remove them and bring new workers. It can speed up your construction works and can save you time. So the tiles that I installed in the outhouse is from RAK, the renowned brand in tile manufacturing. So the tile name is Verasace Oro. It is a 180 by 120 centimeter slab, and the design is like a rock patterns. I told the installation workers that to make sure the tiles are installed in correct pattern. If you install the tile in the same way throughout the outhouse or any house floors, it will look like some photos being copied one after the other. So make sure to tell your tile installation guy to install the tiles in different angles, that is by rotating the slab some different patterns are obtained. In this way a continuous pattern will be appeared on the tile, and this can give a good look and a new design to your floor tiles. So after the main hall tiles are installed, the filter rooms tiles will be installed, and then the bathroom tiles will be installed. The bathroom tiles is completely covered with these tiles, so there is no painting required there. Only top ceiling paintings will be there, and rest all will be covered with tiles. Also the bathroom will be having some branded bathroom fittings, that is some branded toilet combos, wash basin combos and shower combos. This is from a renowned brand called Kohler. They are very good in designing this kind of products. Personally seen their products, they are very good, and they are a bit expensive, but the quality is far from what can be seen in ordinary brands. So I will be installing a wall mounted toilet, a wash basin, modern wash basin, and a shower with various fittings with the ability to give hot and cold water both at the same times. Also there will be a exhaust fan, modern exhaust fan will be installed in the bathroom. Next, after the fitting tiles have been installed, the electrical panels will be installed and lightings will be installed. Once the lightings are fitted, the tiles will look very stunning. If you want to see the updated videos, make sure to subscribe this channel and ring the bell so that you get notified as soon as the work is being completed. I plan to keep some good aquariums in this outhouse, and also I will be planning further projects in fish farming and other cultivation like projects. So after the panels will be installed, the doors will be installed. Already one door is there for the exit to the farm. Rest a filter room door is required, and the main entrance door is required, and also a bathroom door is required. Bathroom doors will be purchased from outside, and also the filter room doors. The entrance door will be possibly made by me. I will be making an epoxy coated door for the outhouse. I have already ordered a table saw from Bosch for making these epoxy doors. So it will be a fun project. Make sure to subscribe so that you can see the epoxy doors being made for this outhouse. After the doors will be installed, almost all works are completed, then the furnitures will be moved in, and then I will be starting with the 2600 aquarium upgrades. I got some acrylic panels from Redfin Aquatics. They are a bit costly, costing over about $7,000 for the 2 panels. So if you like to help me out in buying those acrylic panels, make sure to join as a channel member or give your donations. The links are in the video description. Also, I will be trying some other aquariums like marine and planted aquariums in this outhouse, and also I will be starting making pond for fish farming. Plus I will be trying out cultivation like projects since I got a lot of land around my house. I will be also renovating my house meanwhile, so I will be also posting videos about the renovations I have. Plus I am planning to travel to other places if I get a chance, and those travel videos will also be posted on this channel. So make sure to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification. Also, I had a good time for this new year. I visited the Holiday Inn Hotel in Kochi. They held some song functions there. Also, there were poolside parties at the top of the hotel where they were serving drinks. The drinks were a little bit strong, so at the end I was not feeling that good, but there were firecrackers works at the end, and the new year was little bit more enjoying than the previous one this year. Hope you also had a good time this new year, and hopefully I could post more videos on this channel this year. So that's all the updates I had for the outhouse. Next I will be posting a video on my 55-gallon remake because the silicone had leaks in it, so I will be remaking it. After these 55-gallon videos, I will be posting a top list videos on the most beneficial fish for the humans. So see you guys in the upcoming videos. Until then, make sure to join as a channel member or check the merchandise from the links in the video descriptions. This could help me out in growing my channels. Also, you can share my channel to your friends and families. See you guys in the next one. Until next time, bye and take care. And thanks for watching.